Hi, my name is Pritesh Vora, VP Growth and Marketing at Sprinto, and this is Bad Reviews. Let's start with the first one. While Sprinto's pricing is reasonable and less expensive than some other tools on the market, it can still be a significant cost for startup. It would be beneficial to have a startup pricing plan to make it more accessible to early stage businesses. Well, we hear you. We hear you say out loud, for the love of God, make this one thing cheaper. This is why Sprinto has rejigged its pricing and feature plans so you can pick what works best for you. Whether you're a tiny acorn or a mighty oak or on your way to becoming a unicorn, Sprinto gives you the flexibility to start small and grow with you. Because everything may not be immediately useful, you should not have to pay for it, period. As you grow and scale, you simply modify your plan and continue on your journey of growth. More flexible than a yoga instructor doing the limbo, if you ask me. The setup is a very lengthy process and it gets a bit complicated sometimes. However, if Sprinto has documentation and help available to resolve any doubts, it would be great if these links could be automated with the click of a few buttons. We'll level with you. I know it takes a teeny weeny bit to familiarize yourself with Sprinto. Unfortunate, yes. Unnecessary, hardly. As with anything new, the first few days are all about figuring out your way. Learning is equal parts understanding the platform and equal parts how you can use it in a way that works for you. That said, we've made tons of provisions to make sure you are set up for success. We have 200 plus new help articles that are currently live on Sprinto, because why settle for knowing just a bit when you know a truckload? Need more hands-on support? We've got live chats, emails, and calls. Pick your poison and we'll be there with capes and all. Our entire customer success team is made of certified compliance experts. So at any point, you know you are under expert care. While Sprinto provides various features, some users might desire more customization options. This could include tailoring the software to specific organizational workflows or incorporating additional compliance frameworks. I can't tell if it's a blowback or a hot take, but hell yes to more customization, always. Did you know that you can configure Sprinto to completely fit your purpose to the T, just like cling film on a tin box fit? Sprinto is designed for flexibility so it can work with your unique setup and tech stack seamlessly. Customizations are straightforward and a matter of clicks. Guided by our in-house compliance experts, you can be rest assured of a program that has you covered. Teams, tasks, tests, you name it. Controls and control test customizations are easy, and with features like Magic Map, it's fully automatic. Excitingly, task delegation is on the horizon. Soon, you will be able to seamlessly assign tasks to colleagues for designated periods. It's perfect for instances when the primary owner is unavailable and you're stuck. Now, there are 100 ways to twist and shape Sprinto into something that works for you, as it was built grounds up that way, and partly because our product team is basically a bunch of Lego nerds. No complaints though.